Namaste and welcome to this session. In this session, we are learning the technique of Kapalbhati pranayama, also called the skull shining breath. This particular pranayama energizes the body, clears the mind, and increases the vitality. There are certain contraindications as well. This pranayama should be practiced early in the morning on an empty stomach. Patients of high BP and heart ailments should consult their doctor. Pregnant women should avoid it. So, if you are ready, let's prepare ourselves. For beginners, we'll keep it gentle and simple, focusing on awareness and comfort. Use pauses in between the rounds to avoid the strain. In Kapalbhati, we focus on active exhalation. Inhalation is passive. That means you contract your abdominal muscles at once to push the breath out. Then allow the inhalation to happen naturally without effort. Prepare yourselves. Sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your body. Spine erect, shoulders relaxed. A beautiful smile on the face. Breathe. Stay here for some time. Gently bring your awareness to your heart. Making a mental note on how you're feeling in the body, the breath, the mind, and in your heart. Let's try this together. You may open your eyes to observe initially. Place one hand on your abdomen. This will help you feel the sudden contraction of your breath as you exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale forcefully through the nose at once, pulling the stomach in. Allow the inhalation to happen naturally, relaxing the abdominal contraction, and exhale again. We'll do this at a very slow pace. Let's begin. 10 gentle strokes. Inhale, relax. Breathe normally. You may close your eyes. Observe how you feel. Observe your breath. Observe the changes. If you're comfortable, prepare yourselves for the next round. This time we'll try 15 strokes. Remember to keep the effort light, focusing on the exhalation. Inhalation is passive. Let's begin. Inhale and begin. Relax. Observe the changes. If you feel uncomfortable, you can stay here, or else, let's try it one more time. 15 strokes. Inhale and begin. Relax. Return to your natural breathing. Sit quietly for some time. Notice the warmth, the energy, and the clarity in your mind. Stay aware of your breath. This was a beginner's introduction to Kapalbhati pranayama. With regular practice over a period of time, you can gradually increase the number of strokes and rounds. Join your hands together in front of your chest, rub your palms, place the base of your hands on your eyes. With a beautiful smile, move your hands away from your face, blinking your eyes open, looking at your hands. Thanks for joining in this session. Have an energetic, blessed day ahead.